Hi guys, this is Dr. R.K. Agarwal, your educator. Friends, today we have to discuss about partnership, and a brief introduction I will discuss today, and later on in the further sessions we will discuss in detail all the segments, all the topics and all the chapters which is relevant or related to partnership and for class 12th as well. Dear students, first of all I would like to say this is very easy segment and a scoring segment of class 12th, and this is the backbone of your entire academic sessions of future. If you want to do CA, CS, CMA in future, and if you want to do MBA or BCom even, you will have to study and you will have to learn partnership accounts. So friends, in class 12th, partnership accounts is one of the most important segment, and here I will discuss only about the brief introduction what you have to study in your class 12th. Let us start. First, fundamentals of partnership. As the name suggests about this segment, fundamentals, and you will learn here the basic fundamentals of partnership. Which topics will you have to study? What are the segments and how long it will go? What will you learn? We will discuss in detail in the further session. The basic fundamentals of record keeping of partnership accounts you will have to learn here. Okay, as the name suggests, fundamentals of partnership, you will learn how to keep partners capital account, how to calculate interest on partners capital, and how to calculate interest on drawings, which types of accounts are prepared, past adjustment topics, etc, etc. This is very interesting segment, and you will learn, my dear student, very easy and very significant and very scoring topic this one is as far as your class 12th is concerned. The next segment is reconstitution of partnership. As the name suggests, reconstitution, it means reconstruct, reconstitution. The partnership is being reconstituted. How? What are the modes of reconstitution? Under the head reconstitution of partnership, you will have to study 3 chapters, and these 3 chapters are basic 3 chapters which you all have to understand. Change in profit sharing ratio, change in PSR amongst existing partners. The firm is running and already there is some agreed ratio, and with the mutual consent of all the partners change their profit sharing ratios. And in the event of such types of change in profit sharing ratio, which type of problem arises and what are the accounting treatments of various items like goodwill, general reserve, revaluation, profit or loss, we will have to understand in this segment. And this segment of reconstitution will be discussed along with admission of new partner and retirement come death also. The topics which will be covered in this segment, change in PSR, will also be studied in admission of a new partner, like preparation of revaluation account and adjustments of capital, etc, etc. Treatment of goodwill, treatment of general reserve will also be considered here also in this segment, admission of a new partner and retirement come death of a partner. So students, what I want to make you all understand, try to understand, change in profit sharing ratio will be the backbone of these 2 chapters. So whenever we will go here, whenever we will go or whenever we will move here, we will have to understand quite deeply and very minutely in this segment, because this segment will be the backbone of these 2 segments. And if this segment is not properly clear, then we will not move forward towards the other 2 segments, because it will not be clear if you are not having command over this segment. Okay, and what is all about admission of a new partner. There is an existing firm, suppose A and B are partners and they want to join, they want to take C as a new partner. This is the case of admission. There must be an existing firm, a new person is being admitted into the firm as a new partner. and what accounting questions will arise in that situation we will have to study. Okay, so admission is very easy and very interesting as well, my dear friends. Okay, now we will move towards the retirement cum death of a partner. What is the retirement meaning? Generally student confuse that retirement it means old age. No, here is no question of aging. Partner want to retire, and with the mutual consent of all the partners, the partner can retire from the firm. And death, retirement cum death, you will find both these two segments, both these two topics in the same chapter. Okay, and this is also very interesting and quite different from admission. And again, further advanced level questions, you will find admission cum retirement, simultaneous admission cum retirement in the same questions and practical questions. Students, today just we are discussing only about the accounting. Partnership accounts are not mentioned any theoretical aspect about partnership. Okay, only just we are discussing about which chapters will you have to study in class 12th. And finally, in your class 12th segment, dissolution of firm, this is the chapter you will have to study, and this one is also very easy and interesting topic or chapter, whatever you can say, and this is very interesting as well. And this dissolution of firm topic will cover realization account preparation and partners capital account or cash or bank account preparation. It will cover, and it is very easy, and scoring questions are asked from this segment also. Friends, today I would like to say one thing. As far as introduction of partnership or introduction to partnership is concerned, you might have studied in your class 11 segment, BST segment. I'm dead sure that you would have studied like meaning and definition of partnership. You know about section 4 of Indian Partnership Act. The entire concept of partnership is regulated by Indian Partnership Act 1932, and the section 4 of the Indian Partnership Act defines partnership. What are the features of partnership? We will discuss whenever we will start fundamentals of partnership. Definitely once again we will repeat it, okay, and revise it. What are the features of partnership, what are the nature of partnership, advantages of partnership, limitations of partnership, all these theoretical aspects we also study. And finally I would like to say you all that fundamentals, today I haven't mentioned how many sessions and how many classes it will take, but we will make you all understand. Because we will have to interact each other, and without interaction, without your queries, without your questions, without your suggestions, I would not move forward. First of all, we will finish fundamentals of partnership, and then we will move towards reconstitution. And one thing I would like to say you all friends, reconstitution of partnership is also called dissolution of partnership, but dissolution of firm is the next segment. This is different. Dissolution of firm and dissolution of partnership. Dissolution of partnership means reconstitution of partnership. We will discuss about it. So I think I would like to say, I think this is much more enough, and I would like to conclude you all that this is the basic introduction of partnership accounts, what you have to study in your class 12th. So thank you guys. We will see you once again. Bye bye. Thank you.